Are you a foodie who loves to travel just only to eat? So there are few of my friends whom I know very well. They just travel only to eat food. Say there's randomly they travel to places and they just enjoy the place specific or the place famous dish, and they feel the joy of it. They just go there, or they travel miles, or they travel so many kilometers just to eat of food. So I know such foodies in my life, and I hope that you also know such foodies, or you might be one of those foodies. So for these kind of people, especially in this lockdown period, so you cannot go out, especially people who stay away from home, so they have no other choice but to connect virtually. What to do? Our situation is like that, so it might take some time for the whole COVID situation to come back to normal for all the foodies who cannot travel to many places currently. So I have selected few places where some of the dish will be very famous. Each and every place, every city, every district, or even every state, it has a unique dish which will adds value to that place. If you say the place name, that dish will be the first thing it strikes in your mind, so you would love to go there and eat that particular dish, and you can just enjoy. So for those people who love to do such kind of experiments, for such foodies, so this series I'm going to cover various places and their famous food. In that way we will come to know many different places and how the food tastes like. So I'm going to cover some of the recipes from different places and different districts where it is more famous. So it is like virtual travel and virtual foodies. It is specially dedicated for virtual travelers. So let's get started. So today in the first episode we are going to start with a recipe which is very famous in Tuticorin district, Tamil Nadu. So there is a small village named Mudalur. So this is the place where this Maskot Alva is very famous, called AJJ Maskot Alva. It is very famous throughout South India. So people who stay there and people who have visited there, they all will be aware of what is that Maskot Alva. The word Maskot is a Sri Lankan origin. It means that coconut or coconut milk. So the entire halwa recipe is we are going to prepare in maida milk, coconut milk, sugar and cashew nut. So only these 4 ingredients are required for the entire procedure. The making process, it might take around 45 minutes to 1 hour. It's worth it. Maskot Alva is a really old recipe. In 1970 itself they have started preparing this Maskot Halwa. More than 50 years this Maskot Alva had been there, and it's very famous in the surrounding, and they make this Maskot Alva in bulk and they distribute to all over the world. If you get a chance to visit south side, especially Tamil Nadu, not now after this lockdown, surely if you go somewhere to the south near Tuticorin district, you buy this Maskot Alva and try it. It will be very tasty. This tasty Maskot Alva, how to prepare in home in very simple step, how to get the perfect consistency, let's see in this video. Come, let's travel to Tuticorin. To start with, I have taken 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. So in this I am adding a half cup 2 times. So total quantity is 1 cup. A pinch of salt. Add water slowly and just bring it to the dough consistency. So once you bring it to the dough consistency, add double the portion of water. So for 1 cup of maida, you need to add 2 cups of water. Close the lid and let it rest for around 15 to 20 minutes. In that way, it is easy for us to squeeze the milk completely. After 15 minutes, we are going to use our hand to squeeze out all the milk from the maida. So for that, I am transferring into a bigger bowl so that it will be easy to work it out. And then now if you squeeze, you can see the milk is coming out from the maida. So our interest is only on the milk portion, not on that solid portion. So once you remove completely, what we are going to do is we are going to strain it. Strain and keep the clear solution, and then you can throw away the solid particles, so which we don't need. Now what we are going to do is this maida milk, we are going to rest it without any disturbance for about 1 to 1.5 hours. Since the quantity is less, I am going to keep it for 1 to 1.5 hours. If you are preparing it in more quantity, you can keep it up to 2 to 2.5 hours. So in that way, what will happen? The milk and the water will get separated. So our interest is again the milk. So to separate the layers only, we are going to keep it aside without any disturbance. So after 1.5 hours, if you see, the water has separated out and the milk has gone down. So the water, we are going to remove it. We don't need that. So slowly you can tilt and remove the clear water aside. So that's all. Our milk is ready. So now we can start preparing the halwa. Now the hero ingredient, coconut milk. So I have taken here around 4 to 5 cups of coconut milk. So you can take like this size of coconut. I have taken 75% of it, and I have extracted the first milk and the second milk, and both the milk we can use it. So now in a pan, just ensure that you're taking some heavy bottom iron pan or non-stick pan. So for halwa it will be easy for you. And then after adding this maida milk, we are going to add this coconut milk. So you can add around 4 to 5 cups of coconut milk. Now time also I am showing like 7 evening 6 o'clock I have started this. So time also I will show you parallelly like how much time it is going to take. Now this maida milk and coconut milk together, within 3 minutes if you see, it started becoming solid because of that maida milk. At least for first 10 minutes you need to keep on mixing, otherwise it will form a big lumps. After that, when it becomes steadily gel type, then you can start leaving it. You can come and mix it once in a while. Now if you see 5 minutes over, after 5 minutes it has come to this level. Now slightly bubbles started coming and it is getting cooked. We need to keep on mixing. So now exactly 10 minutes over. So after this 10 minutes, what we are going to do is we are going to add sugar to it. So in this recipe, I'm going to add palm sugar. You can add the normal sugar as well. In traditional recipe, they will be adding this white sugar, that is normal refined sugar. So if you're adding that normal sugar, you need to caramelize little portion of it and you need to add it to halwa so that you get the brown color. So since we are adding palm sugar here, I'm not going to caramelize anything. Just like that, I'm going to mix it. Now you can leave it every 2 to 3 minutes, you can give it a mix. Now if you see, time is 6:24 in the evening. I have started at 6:07. Now if you see 6:24, it has become like this. Still long way to go. Once in 3 minutes, you can just come and give it a mix. It will not stick, so don't worry. You can just keep mixing it so that evenly it gets cooked. Now if you see 6:37, exactly 30 minutes had happened from 6:07 to 6:37. After 30 minutes, the halwa looks like this. It started forming bubbles on top. Now I will mix and show you. Still it is not ready. The actual halwa consistency, if you rotate, all should rotate in the same direction. So that's when we know that halwa is ready. Now the time is 6:43 in the evening. The color is getting caramelized, the sugar is getting more brown, and so the sugar quantity here I have taken 1.5 cups of palm sugar. In case if you want more sweetness, you can add more sweet also, otherwise you can reduce the sweetness. Now if you see, time is 6:47. Still another 10 to 15 minutes our halwa will be ready. Now slowly it started coming. Now if you see, night 7 o'clock, it's almost getting ready. In another 2 to 3 minutes it will be done. So what I am doing is I am adding some chopped cashew nuts. You don't need to mix it in ghee or anything, because this recipe we are not adding any oil or ghee. The oil from the coconut milk itself will start coming out. So that's the reason we are not adding anything. So after adding cashew, just give it a good mix and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Exactly after 1 hour. Now if you see, time is 7:07. Exactly after 1 hour our halwa is ready. Now if you see how beautifully it is coming. Now what you need to do is grease a pan with oil or ghee, and then you can directly put it, and then you can cool it for around 1 to 2 hours. So after it gets cooled completely, see how beautifully it has come. Nothing has stick to the pan. Hope you all like this video. Any traditional recipe, if you take, it will take some time, but it is worth preparing it. And once you start making, then it will be easy for you. You can make it regularly as well. Hope you understood like how to prepare this halwa, and also what is the history behind it, from where it has originated and all those things. Hope it is interesting and you will love it. Now after 1 to 2 hours, if you see, we can just flip it to a plate or something, and then you can make it into slices. See how soft it is, how beautifully it is coming. Since we have added coconut, it will not stay for a longer time. You can store it up to 5 to 7 days. That's all. You can keep it in fridge and you can have it. Our yummy Maskoth halwa is ready. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Always be happy, stay positive, spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.